Four fearless foodies have stepped up to the challenge to hunt down and chow down a scrumptious showdown of the boldest bites in the country. This is Listerine's epic food adventure. Are you ready to bring out the bold?
Someone once said it's the perfect match beer has ever known. It takes two things, high heat and a well-seasoned hot plate. I know you know what I'm talking about, so save some room for that extra rice, because on this episode, it's sizzling food to your heart's content.
Maginhawa, a paradise for the hungry and restless. But we're not here today for the quaint and cozy. We're stepping off the beaten path and into Maginhawa's side streets in search of the fieriest food around.
I can hear the sizzle
Oh my
now.
gosh, I can smell the sizzling. Oh, guys, look.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Yeah. So let's begin and attack.
You know what, guys? I have heard so much about this Pinoy delicacy. I'm kind of nervous because I know what it is, but I'm gonna be bold and I'm gonna be brave and I'm gonna try it. Parang yung texture is like really velvety and really moist. It just dissolves in your mouth.
It's actually just like
Really
balot,
good.
but it has
I'm
the sauce.
pleasantly surprised.
Have you guys tried the sisig? When you bite it, it's a bit crunchy.
Yeah.
And then when you keep on chewing, you can taste the tenderness of the meat and the juiciness afterwards. It's so perfect with rice.
The struggle here when eating the T-bone steak is how rubbery it could be when you bite into it.
Yeah.
Because it could be tough for the teeth.
Looks like we have a clear winner from among these three dishes. Sizzling sisig, sizzling balot, sizzling T-bone.
Biting into this hunk of sizzling meat really put our gums to the test. Listerine's bold bite is the sizzling T-bone. Next time, we'll fly to Bacolod for a special desserts episode. Dessert so sweet that it will challenge our teeth. Dessert so sticky that it'll get stuck to your gums. This is Listerine's epic food adventure. Are you ready to bring out the bold?